Alright, top of the morning. Already got everything disassembled. The motor's in a safe place, away from water. Look at this. Yeah, we don't want to breathe any of this gunk. It's that wheel. This is moving the air inside the house. We don't want to breathe this. So what are we going to do for the customer? Check it out. Check it out. We're going to foam it up with some coil cleaner first. We're going to let this thing sit in here, disinfect everything. I'll let it sit there. You got the same stuff going on at your house? Possibly. You haven't done a maintenance. You don't know. You don't know. Your kid's breathing this. Chris Hayes, I need you to fill my van up with some cleaning material. Alright, we're gonna let this sit here. I'm gonna let this sit here. Got my pressure washer ready to go. Let this sit here, work its magic. All right, what we doing? What we doing? Let's get on the roof. Ugh. Look at that. Beautiful sunny day. Local roots. Hardcore parkour. So I already foamed this up. I'm gonna spray it up a little bit more. I'm gonna hit that back end. She's gonna be clean as can be after Ideal is done. Alright, so let's move this out the way. Where did I leave that? So a double-sided brush. I like this guy. Haven't used it yet. I'm gonna find out. Oh yeah, I like it.